Today we're doing something totally different. We're going to actually unbox a book about shoes by Jacomet and Glyn. Very interesting book. Can't wait to share it. Hey, I've organized all my playlists on this channel so that you're able to easily find different types of shoes, different brands of shoes, as well as finding all my shoe battles, worth the price shoe reviews, etc., all in one place. Enjoy. Welcome back, and this is Wisconsin Shoe Guy. You'll notice behind me I have a few different books. These are different influences that have really drawn me into shoes. I've got 90 Stories for 90 Years from Alan Edmonds. I've got the Handmade Shoes for Men by Laszlo Vass. I have another anniversary edition of Alan Edmonds shoes. Here I have Gentleman by Bernard Dressel. And here I have The Parisian Gentleman by Jacomet. Today, we're going to do an unboxing, but it's not going to be shoes. Today is an unboxing of a new book, well, new in English, that Jacomet has put together, which I'm very excited about reading. I don't know a tremendous amount about it other than what he has teased about it on his YouTube channel, Sartorial Talks, that he does with his wife, Sonia Glyn. This is a very big book, as you can see, with some pictures, and I'm very much looking forward to how it all comes together. So I'm going to risk recording me opening the box, which I normally would not do on camera, but since this is a book and I don't know whether or not there is a how this is going to open. I'm going to risk it because I don't want to open something, right? That sort of defeats the purpose of an unboxing. So, but you know, all good things. And of course, in a box. Who knew? And the box says, The Art of Male Footwear. So now I have to decide, am I going to keep this in the box? And the answer is no, I'm not. But it is an interesting box, and totally Hugo that he would actually have it in there. And then this is a box with a slide out book as well. So now I'm going to peel off the plastic this way so that I'm able to get to it, but I'm not going to risk cutting, the book. So, it's well protected for a reason, right? So here we go, and take a look there. Just to take a pause here, look at the shoes on the cover there. Many of you probably recognize the brands that are there. I can't say that I do for sure, although they do look familiar. But I'm not going to risk it. I'm not going to say which ones I think they are. There are different ones on the back as well, and I'm sure that they actually do this. Now, this is actually by Hugo and Sonia, so I apologize for not giving Sonia credit on that. Obviously, she's heavily involved, which is great. So, the book itself is a very cool shade of purple, and as we look at it, the first printing is 1,000 copies, and I have number 541. So I'm excited about that. I didn't order it that long ago, so hopefully that's there. And so the way they've broken this up is they have a whole section on the British school, the French school, the Italian school, and then shoes of the world. Right. And I'm not going to go through and read the book to you or anything like that. But I will go through the brands that they focus on in each school, because I do think that that's relevant to what we talk about on the channel, right? The British school has George Cleverly, Edward Green, Crockett and Jones, and Gaziano and Gerling. I can't think of 4 more deserving brands to be showcased in a book like this. The French school has Stéphane Jimenez, which is fantastic. Corthe, also fantastic. Berluti, Philippe Atienza, John Lobb, J.M. Weston, and the Atelier de Tranché, which I'm not familiar with. So I'm looking forward to that as well. The Italian school, Stefano Bemmer, Enzo Bonifay, Bontoni, Antonio, and Paolo Scafora. So again, brands I'm very familiar with. I have not owned a Bemmer yet. That is certainly on my list, but not for 2020. So definitely something to look at. And then Shoes of the World. It has Norman Villalta from Spain, Patrick Fry from Germany, Laszlo Vass from Hungary, St. Crispin's from Austria, Romania, Mafte from Austria, Jan Kielman from Poland, Yohei Fukuda from Japan, Tai Shoemaker from Japan, and Masaru Okoyama from Japan, Hong Kong. So now I'm obviously familiar with Vass and St. Crispin's. I've looked very, very strongly at some Norman Villalta, but I have not pulled the trigger on those yet. And the other ones are, I've heard of, I've actually corresponded with Yohei Fukuda, but I have not bought his shoes yet. That is definitely something that I will do, but I have not pulled the trigger on that yet. Maftai I've heard of, but the others I've heard of Tai, but I have not heard of the others. So I'm looking forward to seeing that, and I'm really looking forward to reading this and understanding how Hugo and Sonia reflect on the artistry that is these shoemakers. So very short video today. I will probably refer to this in the future because I think it's pretty exciting. I will just open, I opened the book to one page, and this is what I got to. And this is about Crockett and Jones. And, these pictures are fantastic. I can only hope that one day I'm able to take pictures that, even come close to the brilliance that's in these. So very much looking forward to it. I'm anxious to hear what you think of this book. I know many of you have probably purchased it. You're probably of higher numbers than I do. But funny story, a friend of mine posted an unboxing video of this very book 2 days ago. He's actually preparing a pair of shoes for me out of Japan, and just super excited. And it's funny that we both happen to share in the same thing. So Lee, that's for you. Just super excited about it, and can't wait to see it. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Have a wonderful day.